In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited ideas for Midjourney, no matter what you are doing. Whether you're a web designer or just want to make some Minecraft cartoons, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited ideas. So, what you want to do is go to the top and go to this website called PromptBase. Now on PromptBase, they sell prompts. If you go here, you can go to Midjourney, and every single one of these is a Midjourney prompt. They're all unique, so this is amazing for inspiration. You can really scroll down here and look at all the things that they've made, and it can give you some inspiration. So look at this. This is cool. This is cool. You know, these Lego characters are pretty cool. So say like you look at these Lego characters and you're like, oh, these are really cool. I actually want to make these. What you would then do, you'd click on it and you'd go to get prompt. This costs $3.99, but it's going to teach you how to make these in Midjourney. It's going to give you the prompts, the exact keywords, and they're going to give you instructions. Now the instructions will be about how to customize the figures. So they might tell you how to make different hats, how to get hair, how to get them doing different positions, all of that stuff. So this is a really great way to get ideas and to turn those ideas into reality without having to spend hours and hours creating prompts, because I know prompts can be very annoying to make. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.